Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Control of disease of coffee. Yeah, everyone know coffee, but maybe not many people know about the history of coffee long time ago. Yeah, so uh, there is a disease in coffee plantation that changed people uh, culture. Yeah. So as we know that today British people is tea drinkers, yeah. They uh, they like to drink tea, yeah. But before it, actually they are a coffee drinkers, yeah. Yeah. They get the coffee from South Asia. Some, if I'm not wrong, is come from Thailand or yeah, I think come from Thailand. Yeah. But at that time, the plantation of coffee there was attacked and damaged by a disease that we call it leaf rust disease. Yeah, leaf rust disease caused by Amelia fastatrix caused a huge damage of coffee plantation there, and also in Indonesia. So at that time in Indonesia, we have large coffee plantation and have to be unloading or take because this is, yeah. So after that we do not have any coffee for send to England, to British. So they cannot drink coffee anymore after that. And here in Indonesia and in some South Asia, we unloading our coffee trees and changed to be a tea plantation. So because of this disease, the coffee plantation was changed to be tea plantation. So that's why after that we now tea and we drink tea and we have a large tea plantation until today. And that's why the commodity that can be sent to the British is only tea. And then after that British people become tea drinkers until today. So leaf rust disease caused by Hemilia fastatrix changed people culture in British. Before they drink coffee, today they are tea drinkers. Yeah. So this is not only cause or affect the plant, but also affect culture, affect people, and also uh, economically damaging. Nah, the symptom of leaf rust disease can be seen on the top and bottom of surface of the leaf. Yeah, marked with yellow-orange spot like a powder. You can see in the picture. Uh, this is from bottom surface of the leaf. Yeah, you can see a yellow-orange spot like a powder that we call oredospore. So this is a group of spore of Hemilia fastatrix. After that, the yellow spot will be turned into brown. The last symptom on the leaf appear a brown. Yeah, so the yellow spot become brown. The spot joined together become larger spot, then dry and make the leaf fall off. The spread of the oredospore through by rain and wind. Insect also like thrips, bird, and also human. So that's why for the control we need to eradicate the infected plant or sorry infected leaf, yeah, to avoid the already spore spread to the other plant, and also control thrips insect as the factor of this spore is also important and can be used to control Amelia trick. The optimum temperature for this is about 21 until 25 degrees Celsius. Rain, branches, and leaf that are too dense play a role in increasing humidity. So it's important to control the humidity in the area of the plant. So uh, so to make sure that humidity around the plant low, we can make it by doing a pruning, yeah, doing a pruning to avoid too dense branch that make that too dense and then make the humidity very high. So we have to do pruning actual and also become important when in the rain season. Yeah. Direct sunlight hits the leaf surface will inhibit the spore to germinate. So that's why pruning is have a role important have an important role to inhibit this Hemidiophathus growth. Yeah. So after you pruning your branches and leaf, uh, the optimum sunlight can enter the plant and then hits the leaf surface, meet the spore and inhibit the germination of the spore. Okay. The other disease is black mildew, yeah, caused by Capnodium species or Meliola species. Actually, this black mildew is not infect the plant, just cover the surface of the leaf. So this is just a thin black layer that cover the surface of the leaf. Yeah, so this is not a parasitic, but uh, it will inhibit the photosynthesis reaction because uh, the black mildew cover the surface of the leaf. Yeah. Now, the black cover actually is a fungal mycelia, which expand and is easily exfoliated by wind. The fungal layer only cover the leaf surface and it's not parasitic, but inhibit metabolism, especially for photosynthesis process. Yeah, generally, this black mildew grow from the secretion of sucking insect. Yeah, like a aphid. So just a secretion of sucking insect, of aphid, of wet fly, or scale aphid. This secretion contains glucose, amino acid, protein, vitamin, and mineral. So when the spore of Capnodium or Meliola come and touch the secretion of the sucking insect, the spore will be germinate and the fungi will be growth. So make a thin black layer in the surface of the leaf. So that's why to control this disease, we can also control the insect. Yeah, to avoid the insect attach the leaf surface and uh, make a secretion in the surface of the leaf. Fungi will develop in a plantation that have too dense condition, too much shade, warm to high temperature, and sufficient air. So humidity is very important in this development of the black mildew. So to control it, also you can make sure that the humidity around your trees low. So here I put sooty dew. Actually, it's called black mildew. Yeah. In general, black mildew attack occur on well-developed and fully ripe leaf. The other disease is leaf spot, caused by Cercospora coffeecola. So Cercospora is a pathogen that causes leaf spot in some plant, some species of plant. Here in coffee, Cercospora coffeecola cause a leaf spot in the leaf of coffee trees. There are a yellow spot surrounded the brown spot in the leaf. The yellow spot around the circle necrotic called halo. So you can see in the picture, yeah, there are a spot, leaf spot, brown leaf spot with a yellow spot surrounded the brown spot. Yeah, the yellow circle is called halo. Yeah, and the brown spot called necrotic. Yeah, usually the shape of the necrotic is irregular in size and in the uh, form. So it's not really circle, but it's irregular size and random appearance. Yeah, Cercospora is not only taking the leaf but also take the coffee cherry atau buah kopinya with the same symptom, brown with irregular size and random appearance. Uh, yeah, there is a tear in the center of the spot and the leaf will fall. So in the center of the necrotic will be appear a hole. Yeah, uh, it's because of the surface of the leaf is very thin. The leaf death, the cell is broken, then the cell is fall. So that's why we will see the in the middle of the necrotic we will find a hole. The leaf spot disease often occur in a very humid planting area. So again, humidity is very important in the control of coffee disease. So that's why it will be related with a burning system. Yeah, to avoid very dense shadow or very dense branches. We need to do burning, but also uh, there are important thing when we do burning, because burning cause uh, slice. Yeah, so it can be okay, sorry. uh we continue. So pruning is there is important thing when we do pruning. Pruning is important to avoid the humidity, but pruning can make a wound in the plant, and wound is enter point for pathogen, for other pathogen. So it's important to do pruning with good protocol, with sanitized scissors. Then in some case we can make coating. Yeah, for close the wound to avoid the other pathogen enter the plant from the wound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This pathogen also spread by wind and rainwater. In addition, the use of agricultural tools that contact the symptomatic plant immediately will cause the spread of the disease. So important to do pruning with sanitized tools or scissors. Control is carried out by providing adequate shade, balance, fertilizing, reducing moisture in a coffee plantation. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. This is some literature that you can use to reach your information about disease in coffee or the other information, the other resources that you can find in the internet. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.